When your iPhone displays a message indicating liquid detected in lightning connector, it means that the device's internal moisture sensors have detected moisture or liquid inside the charging port. So in order to fix that, first step you need to do is do not charge immediately. If your iPhone shows this message, do not attempt to charge it immediately. Charging could potentially damage the device if there is moisture present. If you see moisture, do not use compressed air or heat such as from a hair dryer to dry it out, as these methods can cause further damage. Instead, gently dab the lightning connector with a clean, dry cloth to absorb any visible moisture. Also, allow the iPhone to air dry naturally in a cool, dry place for several hours. Placing the device in a container of uncooked rice or silica gel packets can also help absorb moisture, although this method is not as effective as simply letting it air dry. After a while of drying, check if the message persists. If the iPhone still shows liquid detected in lightning connector after drying. If the issue persists or if you suspect there is still liquid inside the port, it's recommended to contact Apple's support or visit an authorized service provider. They have the tools and expertise to properly inspect and address any internal moisture or liquid damage. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.